Mae Cynhadledd Egni 2023 yma heddiw. Mae pobl yn cyrraedd, mae yna buzz yn y stafell, mae yna drydan yma, a mae yna bwnc pwysig o'n blaen ni heddiw does, sef cynhesu byd eang, cyrraedd net zero, carbon zero. Sut ydym ni'n mynd i wneud o? Does gennym ni'n llawer o amser. A felly dwi'n edrych ymlaen heddiw i glywed siaradwyr arbennig, mae gen i bobl ifanc mynd i fod yn siarad ac yn rhoid y sialens i ni. Mae yna gwmni arbennig o'r rhanbarth i ddod yma i ddangos i gwaith. A mae gen i wleidyddion, mae gen i bobl sy'n gweithio mewn cynghora sir, a pobl sy'n gweithio i llywodraeth sydd efo pŵer i wneud i bethau digwydd. Dwi'n edrych ymlaen i weld beth allan o'r gynadledd heddiw. Beth sy'n digwydd sy'n bwysig de, dim y trafod, da ni wedi gwneud hynna'n flynyddoedd. Be da ni'n mynd yn ôl, un swyddfeydd, un gwaith, a sut da ni'n mynd i wneud gwahaniaeth i'r byd da ni'n byw yno fo.
Rydym bellach wedi cyrraedd pwynt ble fydd yr argyfwng hinsawdd yn effeithio ar bawb, yn anwahaniaethol. Rydym yn gweld aelodau o'n henoed yn dioddef pob ha o dymhereddau marwol, a theuluoedd yn cael eu gwthio i glodi gan brisiau tanwydd di-synwyr. Felly, beth am gychwyn drwy gydnabod nad mater genedliadol yw hyn dim mwy, ond mater o oroesiad. Mor awyddus ydym ni i wynebu'r broblem o ynni budur, nid y datrisiad mwyaf uniongyrchol o reidrwydd yw'r datrisiad mwyaf diogel. Gadewch chi heddiw newid hynny, a'n gosod ar y droed flaen unwaith eto.
We're starting off with a session on why net zero. Why is it important? What's going on in the climate? Why have we got all these targets? What are we trying to do towards it?
All around Wales, local authorities are faced with a pretty fundamental challenge. What are we going to do? How are we going to respond to the challenges of flooding over the next few decades?
The second session is an excellent series of flash talks from a range of different companies, including the Centre for Digital and Public Services, Adra Housing Association, Cyngor Môn, the North Wales Police. The list is endless, talking about how they're going to get to net zero and all the different innovations.
We know where we have to be. Net zero is the ultimate goal. Bang universities have been around for 140 years, so we know that we need to keep going for at least another 140 years, and to do that we need to be sustainable.
Fel sefydliad mawr, mae gennym ni her eitha sylweddol pan mae'n dod at allanadau carbon. Un o'r elfennau mwyaf pwysig dwi'n meddwl ydy'r elfen o'r cyfathrebu ac ymgysylltu efo'n cydweithwyr a efo'r gweithlu ar draws yr awdurdod.
There's no use in everyone kind of working in their own individual silos to try and solve this problem independently.
What we're seeing in the early days is a lot of solar panel projects, but we're also seeing electrical car charging points and battery projects and what have you.
Thanks so much for all of our 10 speakers for speaking to us. There's so many great things happening here, right here in Anglesey and in North Wales.
We've even had school kids coming in to do an Egni STEM activity. Everyone was really excited to see that younger generation getting involved as well. We've got an interesting panel session after lunch talking to some of the bigger developers in the region who are looking at wind, marine, tidal, nuclear developments and how we're going to use all of that to reduce and decarbonise our electricity. And here at M-SParc we're also talking about how we're trying to achieve net zero. We've got an ambition to be net zero by 2030. We've launched our campaign to defo the spark, so to reduce the amount of energy we're using, and then we're ending with some young people giving us the questions, asking us why it's taking so long. There's going to be so much happening here talking about how we can all get to net zero to save the planet.
Dwi'n meddwl bod o'n ofnadwy o bwysig bod ni yma heddiw, oherwydd da ni mor agos i bwynt lle da ni'n gallu troi yn ôl efo'r amgylchedd. Felly, mae'n bwysig cael gymaint o feddyliau yn yr un stafell sydd yn gweithio tuag at yr un nod, sef egni gwyrdd a cynaliadol.
I think what I enjoy most about the day is just the sheer variety of different people from all different organisations that we've had. There's just so much happening in this region, so much in this space, and it's just a really exciting place to be at the minute.
We've come to the end of our Egni 2023 conference. We've had 4 incredible sessions throughout the day and a lot of really exciting and engaging conversations. So it's been a really great day.